Hi, my name is Yusuf Yagi, and my email is yusufyagi90@gmail.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add extensions, uh, using Trixbox. This is basically the second tutorial. Alright, so if you remember in our last tutorial, we changed the IP address of the server. So right now I'm going to be using our new IP address, 192.168.2.110. Alright, log in, switch. I already have my username and password logged in, so username is maint, password is password, unless you watched my first tutorial and we changed it. Alright, so basically what you're going to do is go to PBX settings, and we are going to go to under basic extensions, and we're gonna device, a generic SIP device, submit. We're gonna add an extension 100, and let's play Yusuf, or let's go Linux. Alright, and we're gonna scroll down. Gonna forget about everything else right now and hit submit. Okay. And we're going to add another extension, submit. And by the way, I do apologize if it's kind of slow. Let's put this actually Windows. It's kind of slow because this is running an old Acer Aspire. I believe it has 256 megs of RAM. Alright, so, and Linux, Windows, and then we're going to go Android 102. I do not have an iPhone. I have an iTouch. It's gonna be the exact same thing, so I'm not gonna bother with the iPhone. So okay. Basically, in the iPhone, you just have to install an SIP client software and do the settings. Alright, so Linux, Windows, and Android. Apply configurations, continue with reload. Alright, so right now I actually have a program called Twinkle installed. You could download it from the Ubuntu Software Center. Alright, create a profile. I don't want to, just create Yusuf, whatever. Alright, my name, let's go Linux. Username 100. Domain 192.168.2.110, and authentication name 100, password 100. Password right now is the same. Alright, so blah 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 blah. Alright, so okay. So there we go. This says registration succeeded. Okay. So we've got this set up. For Windows, I'm going to remote desktop into Windows. Just give me a second. Oops. For Windows, I'm going to be using Xlite. Username and password. All programs, and Xlite is here. For some reason I can't make this window any bigger. Alright, so SIP accounts, if this window does not pop up, basically all what you do is click on this, SIP, accounts, add, display name, Windows, username 101, password 101, authorization username 101, and domain 192.168.2.110, and hit enter. And it did not work for me because I hit cancel because I can't see this. To whoever created remote desktop client, please make it easier to make the window bigger. Alright, so Windows again. Username 101, password 101, 101, 192.168.2.110. Okay, there we go. And hit close. Alright, ready? Your username is 101. Perfect. Now let's try this. Let's call 100. Alright, I got a call. Incoming call, ringing, and it's telling me. Alright, interesting. No, it tells me from extension 100. That's a weird way of saying it, but it doesn't matter. Alright, now, as I promised for Android, let me turn on my camera. I don't like being in camera, so this is the first time you guys have seen me. No, it is. Alright. So basically, here's my Android. I've got a Samsung Vibrant, and I am going to. Where is it? I installed this. Okay. No. Where is it? Okay, so. Sorry. Alright, so I installed a software called Adore Soft Phone, which is here. I'm not sure if you guys could see. And it's asking me for the SIP username and password. Just give me 1 second. And sorry about that. I had a phone. Sorry, someone was on the door. Alright, so we're back on Adore Soft Phone, SIP username and password. So over here, I'm gonna type the SIP, which is this is kind of hard. 192.168.8 dot dot 2.110. Username is 110. Is 102, and then password is 102. Alright, can you guys see it? Not sure if you can, but I just put the server IP address, username, and password, and then hit login, and immediately worked. So what I'm gonna be doing right now is just give me a second. Alright, so sorry about that. I got a phone call. I'm a busy man. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is dial 100, which is the Linux box, and hit call. Alright, Linux is ringing, Twinkle is ringing. Where did Twinkle go? Alright, from Android. Okay, there we go. Let's actually try to pick up this time. Answer. Hello? Okay, that's really bad echo. But alright, so we tried that. Now let's try. Hold on. Exit. Alright, let's try this. Let's call 101, which is the Linux box. Okay, it's telling me 102 is ringing. The only reason why there's not a sound is because I'm logged in remotely, but if I do log in, it should. Okay, hold on. I guess I don't have the speakers connected. Oh no, there we go. There we go. Alright, so everything is working as planned. I just ended the call from here. So actually let's try calling from, since Twinkle is frozen, I guess. Actually, hold on. Let's turn Twinkle back on. Twinkle. Oh. Yes. Alright, we're gonna run this. It's already in use. By whom? Alright, never mind. Okay, let's go back to the Windows machine. And let's call, interesting, it still says incoming call. Alright, let's call 102, which is Android, I believe. Alright, and I'm getting a call from Windows, and this is on mute, so okay, I'm not getting any sound from here. Let's try again. Enter phone number 102. Dial. Okay. Oh, there we go. My actual ringtone, my default ringer. Alright, there we go. So what we've actually accomplished right now was installing an SIP phone on SIP client on the Android, on remote desktop, on Windows, and Twinkle, who we're having problems with. Hopefully you guys won't have a problem with Twinkle. But there we go. And if I answer, hello, well, since I'm logged in into remotely, let's go. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, something is wrong with my speakers. Alright, but basically, other than this, we have accomplished everything. And the best part is, this does not use your minutes. So if you have a Trixbox at home, if you have a Trixbox box at work, it's basically just using your data to data connection to actually make these phone calls. So thank you for watching, and happy computing.